Samsung's One UI 8.5 beta is shaping up to be a big deal, and this time, mobile gamers are the real winners. While a lot of attention has gone to AI upgrades, Bixby improvements, and good lock changes, there's another update that deserves just as much hype. It's called Game Booster, and it brings some genuinely useful features that can make mobile gaming on Galaxy phones much better. Game Booster arrives as part of Samsung's Good Lock suite, and it focuses entirely on giving players more control over how their games run and feel. Instead of flashy features that look good in demos, this update is all about practical improvements that actually matter when you're gaming for long sessions. One of the biggest additions is touch mapping. This feature allows users to map physical controller buttons to on-screen touch controls. In simple terms, this means you can now use an Xbox or PS5 controller to play games that were originally designed only for touch input. Games like Genshin Impact or PUBG Mobile instantly become more comfortable and more precise when played with a proper controller. For a lot of mobile gamers, this is huge. Touch controls can work fine, but they're not always ideal, especially in fast-paced games. Being able to use a controller gives players better accuracy, better comfort, and a more console-like experience, all on a phone or tablet. Another major upgrade in Game Booster replaces the older GPU settings with something much more flexible. Users can now adjust CPU and GPU behavior on a per-game basis. This means you're no longer stuck with one performance profile for everything you play. If you're playing a competitive shooter, you can prioritize stable frame rates and smoother performance. If you're playing a slower puzzle game, you can dial things back to save battery life. This level of control lets gamers decide what matters most for each title, instead of relying on one size fits all settings. This kind of customization is something power users have been asking for a long time. Samsung already puts powerful chips inside its flagship phones, and Game Booster finally gives users the tools to fully use that hardware when they want to. Then there's the feature that might sound small but is surprisingly exciting: fast forwarding intro videos. With Game Booster, users can speed through long and repetitive game intro scenes so they can jump into gameplay faster. Anyone who plays mobile games regularly knows how annoying it can be to sit through the same intro over and over again, especially when you just want a quick gaming session. Being able to skip or speed through that part can actually make you more likely to open a game instead of putting it off. Of course, some intro videos hide loading screens, so this feature won't always get you into the action instantly. Still, even the option to speed things up is a welcome change, and it's something you don't really see on other platforms right now. All of these features together show that Game Booster isn't just a minor tweak. It's a meaningful upgrade that can seriously improve how games feel on Galaxy devices. The downside is that not everyone can use it yet. Right now, Game Booster is only available on devices that support the One UI 8.5 beta. At the moment, that means the Galaxy S25 lineup in select markets. If you own one of those phones, you can join the beta through the Samsung Members app and try these features early. For everyone else, the wait will be a bit longer. The stable version of One UI 8.5 is expected to roll out alongside the Galaxy S26 series, which is rumored to be announced around February 25. After that, older Galaxy devices should start receiving the update later in the year. What's refreshing about this update is that it doesn't feel driven by AI buzzwords. Instead, it feels like Samsung actually listened to what gamers want. Better controls, deeper performance tuning, and fewer annoyances are exactly the kinds of things that improve real-world gaming. Samsung already sells phones with powerful hardware. Adding features like these helps users unlock that power without needing complicated third-party tools or hacks. Game Booster feels like a smart move that respects both casual players and serious mobile gamers. If this is the direction Samsung continues to take with One UI, Galaxy phones could become one of the best platforms for mobile gaming. And honestly, it's nice to see an update that focuses on making games more fun, instead of just adding another AI feature you might never use.